Hey guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing the top 8 best long-range electric bike. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Bike. The Jetson Bolt Electric Ride-On is a powerful and stylish electric bike that comes with many features. The 250 watt-hour lithium battery gives you up to 15 miles of range, while the 250 watt motor easily powers you up hills and increases your speed up to 15.5 miles per hour. This bike has a payload limit of up to 260 IBS, making it perfect for adults or teens. The bike is lightweight and foldable, with a built-in carrying handle that makes it easy to transport. Plus, the LCD display provides you all of the information you need while on your ride. It also comes equipped with foot pegs and an LED headlight so you can ride safely at night. Overall, the Jetson Bolt Electric Ride-On is a great electric bike that offers plenty of features and performance for a reasonable price. Number 7 in my list is Swagtron Electric Bike. The Swagtron EB5 is the perfect electric bike for those who want an alternative to cars, buses, and trains. It has a top speed of 15 miles per hour, with a range of up to 15 miles. The swappable 280.8 watt-hour battery provides plenty of power while you're out and about. The step-through foldable frame makes it easy to store and transport. The bike is pre-assembled, making it ready to ride right out of the box. With its powerful 250 watt motor, you can take on whatever terrain comes your way with ease. The payload limit of 264 volts ensures that riders of all sizes can enjoy a comfortable ride. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable electric bike, the Swagtron EB5 is a great choice. Number 6 in my list is Schwinn Electric Bike. The Schwinn is a great electric bike with plenty of features to meet the demands of any commuter or recreational cyclist. It has a powerful 250 watt brushless geared hub drive motor powered by a 288 Wh battery, which gives it up to 35 miles of range on one charge. The electric bike offers both types of frames, step over and step through, to make it comfortable for riders of any height. It has a 7-speed trigger shifter so you can easily switch gears while riding, and it is equipped with integrated LED lights on the battery to light up your way in the dark. The payload limit for the bike is 300 ohms, and its top speed is 20 miles per hour. The Schwinn also comes with built-in fenders and a rear rack for carrying your essentials. All in all, the Schwinn is an excellent electric bike that has it all to satisfy any commuter or recreational cyclist. Number 5 in my list is Paselec Electric Bike. The Paselec GS9 is one of the best electric bikes on Amazon. It has a powerful 750 W peak Bafang motor that can take you up to speeds of 28 miles per hour, and its 13 Ah LG cells battery provides an impressive range of up to 40 miles. The bike also has a payload limit of 280 ohms, so whether you recommuting to work or taking a leisurely ride in the countryside, this bike will be able to handle your weight. It is also equipped with front and rear full suspension, so you can enjoy a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The frame type of this electric bike is step over, which makes it easier to get on and off, and it comes with hydraulic disc brakes for extra safety. All in all, the Paselec GS9 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable electric bike that can handle any terrain you throw at it. Number 4 in my list is Velowave Electric Bike. The Velowave Ranger FMTB3 is a great electric bike that provides plenty of power, speed, and range. It features a 48V/15 Ah LG cells removable battery, 750 W high-speed Bafang brushless motor, and can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with up to 50 miles of range. The step-over frame and 26-inch fat tires are perfect for all types of terrain. It also comes with hydraulic brakes, hydraulic suspension fork, and 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, classic bike mode, for easy operation. The LCD intelligent display and SHINAN07 speed shift gear ensure maximum comfort and control. With a weight limit of 330 Ls, the Velowave Ranger FMTB3 is one of the best electric bikes on Amazon. Number 3 in my list is Jasion EB5 electric bike. The Jasion EB5 electric bike is a great all-purpose electric bike with plenty of features to keep any cyclist happy. It has a powerful 350 kW motor and upgraded display, removable large battery, 4 working modes, PAS mode, pure electric mode, pedal mode, booster mode, 26 puncture-resistant tires for greater durability, minimalist appearance, and a lightweight frame. The battery is a 360-watt removable battery that can last up to 40 miles on one charge. With the 4 working modes, you can choose what kind of riding experience you want. Either enjoy the full electric mode or get some exercise in pedal mode. The upgraded LCD display panel has adjustable backlight brightness from 1 to 5 levels, so you can have a clear view of your ride. The lightweight frame and minimalist appearance make this electric bike very attractive. You won't feel weighed down on the hills or when taking it onto public transportation. It also has a payload limit of 264 Ls, making it suitable for heavier riders as well. Overall, the Jasion EB5 electric bike is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an all-purpose electric bike with plenty of features that won't weigh you down. Number 2 in my list is Ancheer electric bike. The Ancheer electric mountain bike is designed for those who are looking for a powerful and fun way to enjoy their ride. It features a 350 kW brushless geared motor which can provide up to 40 miles of range on one charge, with speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The removable 374.4 kW battery helps you save time and money when it comes to charging. The durable aluminum frame, step-over design, and PX4 water-resistant technology make the bike perfect for both on-road or off-road adventures. The 4 levels of pedal assistance provide a comfortable riding experience, while the sport mode gives you extra power when needed. The Schwinn 21-speed transmission system, the adjustable seat, handlebars, and stem make it easy to get comfortable while riding. The Ancheer electric mountain bike is a great choice for anyone looking to add some extra fun and power to their ride. With its powerful motor, long-range battery, and adjustable parts, it's perfect for both commuting or off-road adventures. Whether you're looking to tackle some new trails or enjoy a leisurely ride around the neighborhood, the Ancheer electric mountain bike has everything you need to make sure your journey is enjoyable. Number 1 in my list is Heybike Cityscape electric bike. The Heybike Cityscape electric bike is a great option for those looking for a powerful, reliable, and efficient ride. The 350 kW motor can take you up to 25 miles on a single charge, and its dual-disc braking system provides excellent stopping power. The frame has been designed with a step-through configuration, which makes it easy to get on and off the bike. It also comes equipped with a dual shock absorber for extra comfort, Schwinn 7-speed gear system, and an incredible lighting system that allows you to ride safely in low light conditions. With its impressive battery life, performance, and features, this electric bike is perfect for those who want to get around quickly without having to worry about running out of power. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing and coming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.